on the following problem, it's asking you, and they give you a set of numbers. They ask you, if the sequence is arithmetic, what are A3 and A4? So therefore, what are the next two numbers? So I need to be able to find the next two numbers. Now, we need to be able to find, what is it increasing by? Since it's arithmetic, it should be increasing by the same amount every single time. In this case, it's increasing by 4. So what are the next number? If you add 4 once again, that will give you 10. That will give you 10. And if you add 4 again, that will give you 14. So that's what they're asking you. So let's go and write down. A sub 3 will be 10. And A sub 4 will be 14. So that will be your answer for this section. Now, the next one, it says find the equation of the n term. I need to be able to use the formula. This is an arithmetic sequence. So we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the difference multiplied by n minus 1. And I need to plug in the a1 and also the difference to find the equation. So we have a sub n is equal to a1 is going to be your first number, so in this case will be 2. D is the difference, and in this case the difference is going to be 4. So we plus 4 is positive because it's going up, it's increasing, and then we have n minus 1. I just need to be able to simplify, so distribute property, that will give us a sub n is equal to 2. 4 times n will give us a positive 4n. 4 times negative 1 will give me a negative 4. I just need to be able to combine like terms, so I'm going to combine my 2 and my negative 4, and that will give me a sub n is equal to, remember to place your variables first, so for n minus 2. And that'll be my equation, that'll be my n term. Now on the next section, it's asking you to find the next two terms once again, but in this case now the sequence we have to make it geometric. So we have to go through a process. In this case it's geometric, so what do I need to multiply 2 to make it a 3? So in this case I need to multiply by 3. So what will be the next term? So the next term will be 6 times 3 will give me 18, and multiply by 3 will give me 54. So 18 times 3 once again will give me 54. So let's go and write it down. A sub 3 will be 18, and a sub 4 will give me 54. That is the third and the fourth term. Now it's asking you to find also the equation. So this is a geometric, so we need to use the formula. That will give us a sub n is equal to a sub 1 and that'll be r n minus 1. And I'm going to go and plug in the information. I'm going to plug in same thing. I'm going to plug in a sub 1 and I'm going to plug in the r. So a sub n will be equal to, a sub 1 is the first number. So in this case the first number is 2. So I'll be 2. R is the ratio, and you want to place the ratio in parentheses. In this case the ratio we determined that it was going to be 3. What do I need to multiply 2 to make it a 6 is going to be 3. And then we're going to leave it as n minus 1. And that'll be your equation. You don't need to simplify, you don't need to multiply. In this case, you can't because of the exponent.